Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I just received about 45 minutes ago from UPS my brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max from them. There's a packaging. Absolutely wonderful. So let's go ahead now and unbox it for you. There's a pull tab. Simply pull it up. There it is. Open the box up. There you go. Open it more. Wow, amazing. It's the other way. There it is. iPhone 17 Pro Max in that silvery color. So, right off the bat, I see here there's some dirt on my brand new iPhone box. And this side has dirt too. I don't know why, but that's okay. That side's fine, that side's fine. Alright. We'll place this off to the side now. So here it is. I picked silver this year, whereas last year and the previous year I had gold. This year there was no gold available. There was only the silver, the orange, or the dark blue. I was going to go with the orange. I initially had picked orange, but last minute I changed my mind and I picked silver. Why silver? I thought it would go much better with my Mark 7.5 facelift Jetta, as the interior of that car has some silver bits in it as well. Alright, so let's go ahead now and unbox it. Let's pull tabs here. We'll pull it off here. There you go. Second pull tab at the bottom. And there we are. Absolutely wonderful. Let's go ahead and take it out the box. Wow, look at that silver. And those 3 camera lenses. Absolutely amazing, guys. First impressions, it looks pretty good. I like it a lot. I like this whitish grayish ceramic shield too. Backing. Looks very nice. So there it is. You see the camera flash and the LiDAR. Okay, here we have the power button, the camera button, the control button, volume up, volume down. And here now is the screen. We'll go ahead now and take off this cover. Ah, that's so satisfying. Absolutely amazing, guys. There's the screen. It's not cracked. Wonderful. Alright. We'll put it back for now. Inside the box, you'll find this USB-C to USB-C cable. It's like a gray braided cable. It's quite long. There it is. I don't know the exact measurement, but it's pretty long. You can tell it's pretty long. Yeah. Okay. And then there's an iPhone pamphlet in here. Oh, it's a 1-page pamphlet. Okay. It says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Apple.com/eSIM. All right. Let's look at the phone. I'm here now in Canada, and as you saw, there's no actual SIM card. So it's an eSIM only phone in Canada, apparently. Alright, and now I'm noticing there's a nice little cutout here for the actual antenna bands, for the waves to come out. And then at the bottom, there's this USB-C port, the microphone, and the speaker. Absolutely wonderful. So there you have it. My brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in the silver color. So this then effectively ends the video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.